Welcome to a video called Why Scott Wenger is Not Good at Video Games. Here's why. So, I don't view video games as competitive. I don't view video games as, my life. If I play a video game, whatever game it is, now when I was younger, it was different. Now that I'm older and have different priorities, I view video games as just simply an outlet to do something different, to have fun. So if I'm playing with someone that absolutely sucks, let's say I'm playing a shooting game and this person just absolutely is horrible, like they can't do anything. They can't just do anything. I don't care. Because I'm playing the game for the experience, not for I gotta max out my characters, I gotta do all this and do all that, which is great. There's people that do that. That's fine. I have nothing against people that take games serious. But to me, I take my life serious. So I take my real life serious. So that's why I work hard. I try and, better myself, even though I fall short way too many times than I'd like. I take this serious. I take where I'm going when I die serious. I don't take the online world serious. That's why I can withstand whatever negative comments people give me. That's why I can continue to rise while others fall. Because I don't view comments online. I don't view comments in a video game. I don't view negative things like that. I'm not the best at certain video games. Some video games I'm great at, like Clash Royale, like when that mobile game, I'm fantastic at. Like there's people that say I can't get past this level, and I'm like doing it without buying anything on the game. And it's like, I'm fantastic at that. But games like shooter games, I'm not that good at. I'm more good at strategy games like Age of Empires and that kind of stuff. But I play all games because I like the experience. I like the experience of playing. I don't like the people that play games because people take it way too serious. And they're like, oh, you suck, and this and that. So I just mute them because ultimately I know that's not my life. My life is right here and right now. It's the words coming from my mouth into your ear. That's my life. This bathroom that I'm standing in, this is a part of my real life. Maintaining a house, paying off debt, getting ahead in life. That's what I view. But I don't view things online as, oh my gosh, like if I'm sucking, I don't get angry. If someone else is sucking, I don't get angry at them. If, whatever, if someone does good, I congratulate them. Or even if someone sucks and they get like one kill, I'll say good job. Because that's how it's supposed to be. And I've seen like this in the car community. I've seen this in so many different groups. Like, if you do something that people don't like, they start hating on you. It's like, really? It's about the experience. I would love to create a game where you couldn't troll. Like, and not for me, I don't care. I don't care because, like, I'll play shooting games and people will say, oh, you suck. Or just like I was playing a game, and sometimes at this game, like, when I play games, I put in, like, maybe 1 hour every couple days in a game. I'm not sitting there, except Among Us. I put in a lot of hours playing Among Us because that, with friends, but for 95% of games, I don't put in that much time. To me, okay, I worked really hard. I need to downwind a little bit. I'll play a shooter game, maybe 1 match or 2 matches. So I don't learn I don't learn the maps. I don't learn, the different stuff. And then sometimes playing those games, I'm really good. I can be MVP at the top on those shooter games, like Valorant. Like there's sometimes I'm at the top. Most times I'm somewhere between the bottom and the middle, but sometimes I'm at the top. And then, it's crazy because if you're doing medium, people leave you alone. If you suck, they hate on you. If you're doing good, sometimes they even hate on you if you mess up. Like, for me, I don't care. And I wish like the community was like that, because the community takes everything so serious, but yet they don't take their own lives serious. Like the gaming community will take a video game like it is like heaven or hell. Like it is like, this is, you gotta win this game, or you know, it's the end of the world. I wish they would take their own lives that serious, with finances, with just motivating themselves, getting themselves out of depression and all this stuff. I wish people would take that kind of level of seriousness that they put in video games, that they would the real world. And then what they would do is, like me, use games as just simply something fun to do. It's all fun. You know, video games can really teach you a lot of different things. Like I played this game called RuneScape for forever, okay? In fact, it probably led to me breaking up with a girl or two. Like, and I took it so serious as a kid. Like, I had a girlfriend, and I, you know, I laugh now. I laugh, but it's so embarrassing. I had a girlfriend, and I would go to her house. She had a laptop, and I would play this game on her laptop on their, I think, kitchen table, instead of spending time in my real life, in the real world. And so many people use video games as an escape from the real world, instead of using video games as not an escape, but as just something for fun, just something to do, you know, when you have spare time. So many people want to escape from something, but imagine if they put that effort from that video game into their own lives, they build up their own lives, and then they use video games as just a fun outlet, not an escape. Because the thing is, when you turn off that game, you're falling back into a world where you're not happy. So then you escape more. You escape more and more into video games, more and more, while your whole life is crashing behind you. Financial, relationships, personal growth, self-worth, all that is crashing. And then you're getting on a game where other people are downing you if you mess up, or making fun of you, or trolling you, or praising you if you do good. Now that creates a very big problem. Let's say you have a life that your life sucks and you don't like it. You get on a game and you're actually good at this game. Like you put a lot of hours in this game and you're good. You get praise. Don't get praise out here on your real world. Get praise out here on a game. That starts to manipulate your mind and say, hey, play this game more. More satisfaction, more endorphins. Play the game more, longer. Screw everybody else. But I view gaming as an outlet to have fun and accept everybody on the game, if they good or bad. Like, that's how I view it. And kind of what triggered this video was, I was playing a game with a friend, and the people on that game, you know, I wasn't playing that good. Number one, it was a new map, but number two, that's not even an excuse, because I don't really care, honestly. You know, I play to have fun, and some people in the chat said I need to learn how to aim, so this was a shooting game. And I replied back in the chat, what did I say? I said, most times I'll reply something and then I'll never say anything again, or mute mics or whatever. I said it's just the game, oh well, with a smiley face. And you know, that was actually the end of it. Most times when I say that, I get people trolling and just horrible, so then I block their mic, or I just simply play the game and have fun and enjoy. But it reminded me to make a video like this, just kind of saying, you know what, this is why I suck at games. Because, and it doesn't matter if I suck or I'm good at a game. I suck at all games, even the ones that I'm better than a lot of people at. I suck at all games, and I say that because I don't care to be the best. I don't care to be good. I don't care to be average. I care about my real world. And then the games are not my escape, but they're something for fun, downtime. If I worked hard the night before, I'll spend an hour playing Age of Empires, Clash Royale, Valorant. I might try my hand in Apex and completely get annihilated. I tried Fortnite before. Like, it's all about the experience and having fun, my friends. So for all the gamers and everybody out there, hey, look, if your life sucks, I get it. You run to games because your life sucks. Okay, fix this out here and use gaming as a fun tool. Okay, if you don't want to do that, that's fine. You play games, whatever. Don't troll other people, because I am 33 years old. I'm a YouTuber, social media influencer. I have been dealing with people's bullcrap since 2009. I built a strong backbone, so everything just is like water on a duck's back, where it just rains and it beads right off. So for me, I don't take anybody serious when they act up over gaming. But most people actually do take it to heart. Like, people actually really get hurt by other people making fun of them. So I would challenge people. You know, you say it all fun and games and you're just trolling. Yeah, but what if someone like me would troll you in real life? Oh, you don't have money. Why are you broke? Huh? Why can't you get your life together? Why's your marriage falling apart? Why this? Why that? Why can't you hold a job? Why are you doing drugs? Huh? And what if I would troll you in life? How would that make you feel? Even if it's true, how would it make you feel? So I challenge everybody in life to just work on and bettering themselves. Like, that's something that I'm working on. Like, for example, I've am working on just letting people be how they want to be, and just simply making my video to the world and leaving it at that. Like, before, people in my personal life, I would say, if you did this would be better, or better your life. But ultimately, I want everybody just to build themselves up in all areas of life, so they're not escaping to things. You're not escaping to drugs. You're not escaping to alcohol. You're not escaping to pornography. You're not escaping to gaming. You're not putting all your faith and hopes on other humans. Like, I want people to be the best that they can be and understand what things really mean. Gaming is not an escape. Gaming should be a platform of having fun, new experiences, maybe creating some friends, treating people with respect, so then they respect you back. And even if they don't respect you back, you know that you're the bigger person respecting them. That's how I view that gaming community as it should be, how I view car community and all these communities. So with that being said, this is why Scott Wenger sucks at video games, because I no longer view it as my life. I no longer view it as an escape like I used to. I no longer view it as it's a live or die situation when I'm in a game. I view it as a fun outlet for new experiences, meet new friends, and just to enjoy the different things of life that are outside of real life. So, with that being said, the last match that I was playing in Valorant, I was last place. Only 5 kills and 15 deaths or something like that. That was pretty rough. But the experience was fun, minus the trolls. They make it a little less fun. But when you build your backbone up, you can learn just to play and have fun. You can ignore the trolls. And hey, if you're sucking and you come back and you actually do good, good job. That means you overcame the trolls and you overcame the sucking. See you guys on the next video.